The Mixed Up Truck by Stephen Savage. It was the cement mixer's first day on the job. All the other trucks were hard at work. It's a mixer. Can you say mixer? Mixer. Look, there's a sign. The crane was lifting. The dump truck was dumping. And the digger was digging. It's a digger. Can you say digger? Digger. How can I help? Asked the cement mixer. Mix up some powdery white cement, said the trucks. There's the digger. There's the cement mixer. The cement mixer mixed up the white powder, added a little water, and presto! A cake! Oh no, it's a cake! You got mixed up, said the trucks. Go mix up some powdery white cement. The cement mixer mixed up the white powder, added a little water, and presto! Frosting! Oh my gosh, he made frosting instead of cement. Look, it's a cake. A cake with frosting. Uh-oh. You got mixed up again, said the trucks. Go mix up some powdery white cement. The cement mixer mixed up the white powder, added a little water, and presto! A building! Wow, they made a building out of cement. See, there's the crane. There's the digger, there's the dump truck, and there's the cement mixer. Now the trucks were dusty and tired, but the cement mixer needed to get one more load of white powder. The cement mixer picked up a little white powder, added a little water, and presto! A bubble bath! Whoa, look, it's a bubble bath, just like Sebby has bubble baths. Look at all the bubbles. Then they went to bed. Say good night, trucks. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, trucks. The crane and the digger and the cement truck and the dump truck are all sleeping. Say good night, trucks. Good night.